Hey, it's Miranda, and this is Simply Filters, where we keep things clear, quick, and real when it comes to your air. So you pulled out your air filter and it's black, like really black. What does that mean? Should you panic? Let's talk about it. A black air filter usually means one thing. It's dirty. It's been doing its job and collecting dust, smoke, maybe mold spores, and all that gunk floating around your home. That's normal if it's been a while since you changed it. But here's where it gets interesting. Sometimes a black filter can point to bigger issues. If it's sooty black, like from candles or smoke, that could be from burning a lot of candles, especially scented ones, a fireplace, or someone smoking indoors. If it's damp and black and kinda gross, that might be mold. And that's something to pay attention to because mold in your HVAC system is a health risk. Think of your filter like a lint trap in your dryer. If it's full and dark, it's doing its job, but it also means it's time to clean it out or replace it before things get too blocked. So yeah, a black filter isn't always scary, but it's definitely a sign to swap it out. Check it monthly, change it when it looks dirty, and your lungs and your AC will thank you. Hit that follow for tomorrow's tip. We're talking how to install an air filter. See you then.